Frank Leonard has cancer. The type, uncertain. Site of origin, unknown. Recommended course of treatment, unclear. Lack of a definitive cancer diagnosis can greatly impact therapy choice. The fact is, even after the most thorough clinical workup, accurate identification of the primary cancer site is sometimes difficult, if not impossible. Change the way you see cancer patients. Molecular cancer classification through Theros Cancer Type ID helps identify tumors of uncertain origin. By measuring the expression of a select group of 92 genes, Theros Cancer Type ID predicts the origin of the tumor, helps determine the primary cancer site, and aids in the selection of appropriate therapies. Performed with no preconceived bias, Theros Cancer Type ID is a molecular classification test that utilizes real-time RT-PCR methodology, the gold standard for quantifying gene expression. Theros Cancer Type ID can distinguish up to 39 different tumor types and 64 subtypes. This innovative molecular diagnostic test provides high overall sensitivity of 86%, with results often confirmable through immunochemistry and imaging procedures. Identifying the primary site for uncertain cancer can be challenging with conventional classification methods, which may require repetitive testing procedures to obtain a definitive diagnosis. Even after multiple cycles of testing, a large number of patients are still left with an uncertain or unknown diagnosis. By integrating the Theros Cancer Type ID into the classification process, the repetitive diagnostic process is streamlined, which allows for faster cancer classification with an increased rate of success. Offering an impressive array of benefits, Theros Cancer Type ID empowers you to improve cancer classification, optimize therapy selection, speed initiation of appropriate treatment, and reduce diagnostic imaging and other procedures. Now, when diagnosing and treating cancer, you no longer have to accept results that are uncertain, unknown, or unclear. Know the origin. Optimize the treatment. Theros Cancer Type ID. Changing the way you identify cancer.